Awonba Khunai Amagidamak Naha Singbu Thouna Happa Mathou tai Apaba Tungamchat Amagidamak Naha Singna Thoudang Loduna Mang Thana Thabak Tawba Sangi Haina Manipuri Governor Bhalla na Phongdokhrei Palace Compound da City Convention Center da National AIDS Control Organization amadi Manipur State AIDS Control Society na punna sinduna ngasi International Youth Day gi palan thorom pangthokhrei thorom gi manungsana Manipur gi Governor Bhalla na intensified IEC campaign ama sohogdoki thorom gi athoiba mitungnen gi warol thamladuna Governor Bhalla na hai sahi asigi oina pangtholiba International Youth Day gi theme oiriva local youth actions for the sustainable development goals and beyond haiva wahi paring asimak yamna wahan thokleba amani haina lawi malem gi mafam kya climate change unemployment health crisis amadi inequality gi wathok kya thokli adubu thengnari bu wathok sing amadi kudongsa daba kya sige solution purakna ba khunai amada himinari ba mipum khudimangna thodang lomina ba haibasi yamna maru oi Awonba ahongba khunai ama purakna ba honabada hongluk liba amadi hawgulak liba naha singna agent ama oina thodang loba sangi Apaba Tungamchat Amagidamak Naha Singbu Thouna Happy Gadabani, Saukotpa India Ama Ohenabagi Pandamda, Sangsiliba Kongtang Kia Sigi, Mai Park Panatragana, Park the Bahibasi, Laibak Sigi Naha Sing the Low the River Taudangi Makapoli, Gumzali Singani Kuntra Fawada, Sustainable Development Goals Ki Tamliba Pandam Kia Si Yauna Bohanabada Naha Singi Taudang Sauna Lay Haiki. National AIDS Control Organization Nako Gimakada, Manipur AIDS Control Society, Max Nasindana, Nasidagi Haudoliba, intensified Information, Education and Communication IEC campaign asimak apaba kongtang amani haina Governor na singthaki thorom maduda Manipur gi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel amasung Health and Family Welfare gi Commissioner Suman Singh Susarugya.
That's why empowering youth and at community level is not optional, it's essential. Young people are not just beneficiaries of development, they are agents of change. Rather, they are people for the future. They can innovate, they can mobilize their peers. When a local population comes together on the issues like waste management, clean water, health awareness, to name a few, it's often youth who step forward for solutions. As we move towards 2030, local youth actions will determine how far we go in achieving every project, every initiative, every voice matters. So today is not just a celebration, it's call to action. Let's listen to young people, invest in their ideas and support their leadership. Because when youth lead, communities thrive and the world moves closer to a just, inclusive and sustainable future.